Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create employee subgroups in SAP HR. First of all, you should know what is employee subgroups. As we discussed in earlier videos, we have employee groups. Today we are going to discuss employee subgroup. A group only we divide into subgroups. Like in groups, we have a permanent employee. In groups, we have a trainee employee. In groups, we have a contract employee. In subgroups, you can define as manager, high manager, low manager, storekeeper. Like here, we defined those employees into a subgroups, which is very essential to split their structure in organizational structure very perfectly. The employee subgroup and subdivision employee group. When you define an employee groups, you can essentially begin set up your personal structure. So with the help of this, you can define a functional structure as per company norms and policies. Features are allocated to this later step. These steps are dealt with in a spot where you establish a business sense. The following business subtasks provide among their things: specialization of processing and payroll accounting, specialized validity of primary wage type. These all are required. Which if you create properly employee subgroups, then all should this work properly. Specification of validity of primary wage types, specification of validity of work schedules. These all are a advanced topic in SAP HR. For that, you have to define employee groups and subgroups as per company's norms and policies. Validity of time quota. Example, within the employee groups active, you want to distinguish between industrial workers, pay scale employees, trainees, and executive employees. This distinction enables the following. You can carry out the evaluation for the certain employees. Subgroups can be included or excluded. Certain personal administrators should only allowed to edit data in certain employee subgroups. Like this, we can do multiple variations with the help of this employee subgroups, and we can control it via authorization structures. Okay. Now, what are the recommendations, requirements? If you need to have a create employee subgroups, in addition, check the means in distinction. You want to use the employees with regards and evaluations, authorization of business tasks. Okay. Now, standard settings. SAP standard system contains some sample of employee groups. When you take a new system, totally new vanilla system, you can find few employee subgroups in that. You can check how to create those things. Just click on create, or just copy those and create new as per your company's norms and policies. Further notes, additionally, what it is, by editing employee groups, you can access this function key, calling of a function copy. You can copy, you can delete, you can check employee subgroups. When you use this function, entry in employee subgroup table as well entries depend customer system tables per created sub area. When you create this entry will go to all the areas where it got necessary to store the data. Activities. Check the standard employee subgroups. Create your employee subgroups in the numeric areas. Like employee subgroups always in numeric, like 1, 2, 3 form only. Delete all sample entries which you do not need. As discussed, if you create something, if you don't want, you can delete them. Use the additional function to copy, delete, check. Okay. And how to start working with employee subgroups? You have to go to SPRO. Okay. Once you go to SPRO, we'll show you the path how to go into this area. Okay. Now I will jump on the system. We'll check each thing on a live system. First of all, you have to go to enterprise structure. Then definition, then human resource, then employee subgroups. You entered here, edit employee subgroup. Edit means which already exists, or define new employee group. We need to define that new employee group. Go. These are the employee groups already has in the system. Like we see, I have given screenshots also. See, check standard employee subgroups. These are the standard. You can go any name. C4, C9, CA, CB, A1, A2, AB, AC, anything you can give, but you have to write them somewhere. These specifications given by you to the employee, the organization management. They want this employee groups in this area. This you suggest, okay, this name suits you for as per industry norms. This name suits these characters, these names, this alphabet suits as per your, because different manufacturing company, different oil company, different chemical companies having different structure of the employees. Depending upon that, you should suggest them, or they suggest the finalize lock one thing and start working on those for employee subgroups. Now you can see here, these are the all employee subgroups we have. If I want to create new one, I just click here. I try to create employee group 1. For example, manager. See, one is manager is saved because here I have deleted entry of manager. Delete unwanted. A1, A2, AB, AC have deleted. Try to create with these names also. A1, A2, AB, AC. Remember. Now try to create A1. Let us see it's allowed to create or not. Data saved. A2. Executive manager. Save it. A3. Branch manager. A4. Heads of managers. Now save these entries. Data saved. Okay. Now how many employee subgroups we have created? We have created A1, we have got to A2, we have got to A3, we have got to A4. Now we have save this also. Like this, we can work on creating employee subgroups in SAP HR. Thanks all.